here we learn about files, uh, functions. Okay, so this code snippet contains three functions. In that we are considering file, reading all the file, and seeking the to the first beginning of the file, and then printing each line or whichever the line we wanted to print. Three functions are defined like this. So this function, this code snippet accept the script and input file as a arguments. Okay, so when we are calling the this function like this Python script, right? So they are taking as a Python script one thing, and then the about python.txt. So in the first current file equal to open, we are doing whenever we are using open, it opens the file, it gives the file descriptor as a output. That file descriptor contains many functions. This here we mentioned f.read, f.seek, f.readline. So all these things are part of the file descriptor, that is the Python library is providing that. So once we get the file descriptor as current file, then we started printing print all. Print all is a function that is defined as the first function. Okay, so f.read is internally being called, so that it is printing all that information, like Python is a high level general purpose programming language, its design philosophy, emphasis, so and so on. Okay, right? So this is the function. Then we are seeking back again because it the file descriptor has reached the at the end. That's why we are seeking it back. Okay, that with that, for that we are calling the rewind function. So it is being put back at the beginning of the function. Then we are calling this a current line equal to 1. So there is other function print a line. Print a line is here mentioned here, and here it is printing the line count. So what is the line count here? It's a 1. The line count and current file. So current file, what is this? Current file is a this part, right? Current file is a f is a descriptor. So f dot read line it is doing. So whenever it is going to particular read line, that particular read line is being printed. So from this whole text, so first line is Python is a high level general purpose programming language, and when it coming to the next this line number we are increasing. So current line plus 1, after line number increase it is going to second line, and its a design philosophy emphasizes code readability with the use case. So here internally this seek, whatever the seek, right, internally whenever it is read into one line, and the next line it is going to the that part, then that corresponding line is being read here.